Okay, Jap, ito unang-una, syempre season 50 ng PBA. Isa sa mga pinakamatanda ka ba sa team ngayon o
Oo.
pinakamatanda na?
Second ako. Second.
Okay. Season for someone like Japet Aguilar, how did you spend syempre iba yung veteran sa mga bata sa off-season. Paano mo inatake yung off-season?
Iba yung off-season this time. Well, siguro hindi na secret. I had a surgery, right? So, yun, I really have kailangan ko mag-stop talaga sa workout for quite mga ilang days din. So, kailangan ko talaga total rest. So, ayun, ginrab ko yung opportunity na yan para makarecover. So, ayun yung naging off-season. And then, spend as much time with the family. So,
And at your age right now, meron ka pa bang gustong idagdag sa laro?
Actually, ano pa rin, continuous learning pa rin. Continuous learning. From last season, madami kaming natutunan as a team. Ayun, that's the beauty of basketball. It's constant learning.
Season 50 tayo, kumbaga historical year for the PBA. How important na at least ang Ginebra maka-isang championship man lang sa season 50?
Yeah, that's the big picture. Yun yung my goal ko rin before pa ako mag-40. So sana maka-champion pa. So hindi kami pinalad last season, ilang beses kaming sumubok. Sana this season 50 finally makamit namin yung championship. So,
and finally, your personal goal for season 50?
My personal goal, always put the team first. So, ayun, kahit whatever yung kailangan kong gawin para matulungan yung team. So, isa yun sa namin, sa culture namin, yung togetherness namin. So sana sama-sama kami, sama-sama kami mag-champion. So,
ito, last na talaga. No? Ano mas mahirap, mag-improve ng leadership o mag-improve ng skills sa basketball court?
For me, leadership, kasi parang you have to step out your comfort zone. Hindi kasi sa iba, hindi natural yun. So kailangan talaga nila mag-effort. Sa skills, you always pwede ka laging mag-training sa sarili mo. Pero I think leadership sobrang hirap. Mukha lang siya madali pero mahirap siya.